for apple on the train so red. B is for ball, we bounce ahead. C is for cat that says meow meow. D is for dog that says bow wow. E is for egg in a shiny pan. F is for fish that swims and can. G is for goat that loves to play. H is for hen that lays an egg today. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for juice, a yummy treat. K is for kite up in the sky. L is for lion roaring high. M is for monkey swinging free. N is for nest on a tall tree. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for parrot, green delight. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rabbit hopping around. S is for sun up in the sky. T is for train that chugs right by. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on the lane. W is for whale so big and blue. X is for X-ray, peekaboo. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, stripes of brown. ABC train goes choo-choo-choo. Learning letters, fun for you.